How to create and assign audio to bus in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added some audio to my timeline. Go to the Fairlight page and open the mixer panel. Drag the edge of mixer panel to make it bigger. Buses are a simple mechanism that allows us to group audio tracks and apply effects and EQ and more to them at once. To create a new bus, from the Fairlight menu, click on Bus Format. Now click on Add Bus. Double-click on newly created bus, and change its name. Set its format to stereo and change its color if you want. Now expand the mixer panel again, and you can see that the bus is added to the mixer. Here I have 4 audio tracks, all of them assigned to bus 1, and I want to assign my first and second tracks to my bus. So, click on these buttons to remove them from bus 1. Now click on the plus button and select my bus. Now I added tracks 1 and 2 to my bus, but when playing the audio, I can't hear anything. That's because I have to assign my bus to bus 1, which is the main bus. So, click on the plus button above my bus and select bus 1.
Who had a love for all things creative. She had a unique perspective on the world, often seen.
Now I can increase or decrease the volume of my bus, and track 1 and 2 volume will affect without the need to change them separately.
Beauty in the things that others overlooked. However, her quirkiness often made her feel out of place in her small town.
There is another way to assign buses. From Fairlight menu, click on Bus Assign. Select Bus 1 out and click on Unassign All. Then select My Bus out and click on Unassign All. Now you can see that all the tracks are unassigned. I wanted tracks 1 and 2 to be assigned to my bus. So select My Bus out and then select Audio tracks 1 and 2. I also wanted my bus to be assigned to bus 1. So select bus 1 out and then click on My Bus. And that's another way to assign buses. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.
Standards and instead embraced her uniqueness.